Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade a GT73. First, you need to understand your current system's limitations. Check your power supply unit's wattage to ensure it can handle a more powerful card. Also, measure the available space inside your computer case to confirm a new, larger graphics card will fit. Finally, determine your budget, as this will significantly narrow down your options for a suitable replacement. Once you know your system's capabilities and budget, it's time to choose a new GPU. Cards like the GTX 1050 Ti or RX 570 offer substantial upgrades over the GT73 without breaking the bank. Always ensure the card you select is compatible with your motherboard's PCIe slot. Researching benchmarks will help you find a card that delivers the performance you desire for gaming or other tasks. Now for the installation. First, power down your computer completely and unplug all cables for safety. Open your PC case and carefully unclip and remove the old GT73 card from its PCIe slot. Next, gently but firmly insert your new graphics card into the same PCIe slot until it clicks into place. Finally, connect any required power cables from your power supply unit to the new GPU. After installation, the next crucial step is to install the latest graphics drivers. Visit your new GPU manufacturer's website to download and install the correct drivers for optimal performance. Once drivers are installed, test your system with some demanding games or applications to ensure everything is stable and working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Enjoy your upgraded system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.